back to my channel today. So today we're going to be going through my April Birchbox. Now Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box and you are able to customize your box, which I love that aspect. So inside you will have 5 beauty products. One of the things that I noticed when I customized my April box is they told you the sizes and there were full-size products in every single category, but they also had sample-size products and they also had foil products in there as well, which I cannot stand getting foils inside of my monthly box. So I knew I was not going to go with those options, but I wanted to make sure I pointed that out to you guys in this video, because if you do decide to sign up and get this box, which you can get your very first box for only $10, you just have to look at the sizes and it will tell you if it's full size or not. And I mean, why not get the full size products? Like, if they're offering them, let's just take them. So like I mentioned, if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you. I also have a discount code where you can try this box out for only $10. That is only for your first box. After that, it will go up to its regular monthly price of $20. But I mean, $10 free shipping and you can try some full-size products, like, that's a deal. Now, Birchbox does ship late. So like I said, I'm opening up my April box. They always ship at the end of the month. They're very sneaky. Like, it will say, we shipped it on April 29th. But of course, you're not going to receive it in that month because it's literally the end of the month. So I always receive it a couple weeks later into the next month is all. So just so you know, if you do order in the month of May, you will receive the May box, but you might not receive it until June. So this is what it looks like inside of my box. We've got this beautiful booklet. This booklet is really nice. I feel like Birchbox is making great changes, and I'm just noticing that they're putting in the work to create these beautiful cards. And they talk about some of the products that are available this month, but then they also give you things that are trending. It's on point for the theme that month, which of course is spring for the April box. It says it's so fresh, so clean, and we are looking for a journey of transformation with these products. So the first item inside of my box is from Hero Cosmetics. This is the famous Mighty Patch. This particular one is their micro point. So they make several different Mighty Patches available, but this one actually has tiny little micro points on the sticker. And when you apply this to a blemish or a zit, it will actually poke that zit open just briefly, and that will allow the medicine to actually get in there to get rid of that zit faster. So it will help to dry that blemish out and really to bring everything to the surface. Now, it's kind of gross to talk about, but they 100% work. I will vouch for this product time and time again. It is so good. I prefer these micro points because they really get the product into your skin. Now, this one is to target your dark spots specifically after the zit has gone. But I've used it both ways personally, and it works for both of them. But if you do get like a dark spot somewhere, you can put this right over top. It will get that in there. And then you just peel the sticker off. I usually put it on at night and then I just take it off in the morning, because then it sits all night, does its job, and it will help to reduce that blemish much faster. So there are 6 patches inside of this box, and like I said, I highly, highly recommend it. Next up, we have a product from Floss, and this is a full-size product. This is one of them that I saw, and I was like, well, yeah, I'm gonna go with that if it's full size. So it is the My New Favorite Lip Gloss, and the shade that we have is Opaque Finish. So this is the color itself that they have here. And like I said, this is a lip gloss. So I'm going to pull this out and that way you guys can see what it looks like. Floss has been around for a while and they do have really beautiful glosses. I like their formulas a lot because they're not sticky and they're not too thick either, but they give you a nice flush of color and a really great shine. But again, it's a full-size product. I mean, why not choose that? They did have other samples in that category, but I was like, well, I don't want to do a sample. I'd much rather go with the full-size product. Now, I think they must have struck a deal with Floss to feature their products this month because they also had another one of their lip glosses, but this is in a different shade. It's called Yule, and it is a sheer gloss. So this is what it looks like here in the box. But again, it is a full-size product. And this gloss will be a clear gloss. It has a slight tint to give you kind of that pop of pink when you put it down, but I've used this product before and I honestly didn't even see the color. It really is just a clear, shiny lip gloss. Now, I have not tried their mascara before, but this again is from Floss. So this is their Rise Above Lengthening Mascara. Again, it is a full-size product. It's cruelty-free and vegan. The shade is black on this mascara. And I was like, you know, I've never tried it. It's a full-size product. I want to try this out. I mean, why not? I feel like I keep saying that, but traditionally Birchbox has always been a sample box. But the fact that they're offering the full size, if you just look for them in there, I'm like, that now makes this box really exciting. To have 5 full-size products in a month is a really good deal. So here's what that mascara wand will look like. Oh, I like it. Look at how many fibers are on there. I feel like there are a lot of fibers. So it says it's supposed to give you length, and I definitely feel like it's going to do that. And it looks like it picks up a lot of product at once as well. I'm actually really excited about this one. It's better than what I thought it was going to be. So I like the wand. And the last item inside of my Birchbox for this month is again from Floss. So I told you, I feel like they struck a deal with Floss to feature their products. And when I saw all of them in there, I was like, well, they're full size and I do want to try these. So I'm just going to go with it, even though I knew I was going to get 3 lip glosses this month, but I was okay with that. So this is, again, a lip gloss. The shade name is LAX, and you can see the color here. This is definitely a bit warmer than the other one, but again, this is all a cruelty-free brand. It is woman-owned as well. Their lip glosses are just very nice. They're not thick. They're not sticky at all. They just give you nice pops of color, honestly, and they're very creamy. So if you look at this one here, it's got a beautiful color, but it's a very nice creamy lip gloss. And the shine is not too crazy with this either. I feel like you get a little bit of shine, but it's not like a really glossy shine, or glassy. That's what I mean. It's not a really glassy shine. So I just felt like, yes, I will 100% use these. So I was kind of selfish this month, you guys. I chose the products that I really wanted, but it did mean my entire box was basically from one company. Now, if you choose to sign up for this box, you obviously do not have to go with the choices that I made where I'm getting all the same items from the same brand. Like I said, inside of the booklet, they talk about some of the featured products they had available this month. So one was the Mighty Patch that we already talked about, but they did have a cream lipstick from Laritzi. This was also a full-size product. Additionally, they had cream blushes available from Floss as well. I opted to go with the lip glosses just because I thought I would use that more than the blush at this time. But then the other product that they had was a mist spray. This is from a brand I didn't recognize, Oniro. But this misting spray was supposed to give you a pick-me-up. You could spritz it on your pillow or your clothes or your laundry just to give you a really nice aromatic scent. So they did have other options available. I don't want to deceive you guys into thinking that, oh, if you buy this box, you're only going to get one brand. That was strictly because I chose to do that. So that is everything inside of my Birchbox for April. I love it. And I paid $20 for this because I already got my first box half off. But you guys could get this box for $10. Choose the items that you want. And there are full-size options available. Now, not all of them are full-size options, but you can at least choose what works for you. I feel like, though, for 20 bucks, 3 lip glosses, a mascara, and the hero patches, I think I came out ahead on this box. I mean, mascara alone these days costs 20 bucks. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But honestly, I'm seeing good things from Birchbox right now. I feel like they're doing a really good job. I like the changes. I love the packaging. I like that we're seeing this nice card in here. The choices are great. So all in all, I'm excited to see where this box is gonna go. Like, I feel like each box keeps getting better and better. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button down below and give this video a like. I am trying to get our likes up on the channel right now, so I would greatly appreciate that because it does help me out. But until next time, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next unboxing video. Bye!